What's up, guys? This is CJ and Sarah.
Hi.
From CJ's Keto Kitchen. This is a quick video tonight. We wanted to, first of all, welcome. We've gained a lot of new subscribers over the last couple of days. We want to welcome you guys to our channel. First of all, we are so glad that you're here, and we hope that we can, that you enjoy our content. And we want you to know that we appreciate that you have come to our channel and decided to come along with our keto journey.
Yes. So. And did we want to specifically thank some other YouTube channels?
We do.
Okay.
We do. So we want to really give some I guess big thanks to 3 YouTube channels. We want to first of all really thank Papa G Low Carb. He gave us a shout out on his channel.
Well, we probably should thank him first for the awesome stuffed mushroom recipe, because
that
was what
we
really propelled us.
Yes, we made his stuffed mushroom recipe a couple of weeks ago. Just to eat. We weren't trying to do anything or trying to get a shout out. We just made it.
It was awesome.
And we talked about it a little bit, and so we wanted to thank Papa G Low Carb for his support and the shout out that he gave us. So the second channel we want to thank is Tammy over at Keto Chaos. She gave us a shout out the other day, and that really a lot of her subscribers came over and decided to follow us as well. So we want to thank Tammy at Keto Chaos for that. That we really appreciate that. We are a very new channel.
It's only been a few months.
It's only been a few months, and so we're fairly new, and but we really enjoy her content. I watch it pretty regularly and try to comment all the time. So, and then lastly, we want to thank Going Gonzo Keto Diet, and so I actually just discovered him last week. I think from the shout out that Papa G gave us, he Going Gonzo or Gonzo discovered us, and I really like his content as far as if you just listen to him talk, he's just like shooting out all kinds of keto wisdom.
Yes, he's very easy to listen to.
Yeah, he's easy to listen to, and he's just like got all kinds of just wisdom about keto. You can tell that he's done his research, and
inspiring.
And pretty inspiring. So again, we wanted to thank Papa G Low Carb, Keto Chaos, Going Gonzo Keto Diet for the shout outs that they gave us. We just want to say thank you. And again, thank you for all the new subscribers.
Yes, welcome everyone.
Yeah, we appreciate you being here. And
we will look forward to bringing you more content.
Yeah, we've got several things in the pipeline already.
Yep. That
we're going to probably drop this week, and then we're going to actually sit down tonight and with a calendar and actually map out, what we're going to shoot in the coming months.
So stick around.
Yep, stick around. We got a lot, and if you have questions, you have comments, please, we love to talk to you from people.
If there's anything you want to see, anything that you're interested in,
recipes, right.
Like we said, if you want a Q&A, or if you want to know anything about us, about our journey, we're an open book.
Yes, so we are. So again, welcome, and I think we're just talking now. So.
Okay. So we'll see you on our next video.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.